येस येस
सचिन असे नोटिस कितल्या लोकांक धाडले त्यांच्यानी
ताणे आयज सध्या 10
I'm going to hear them. I'll आपली त्याची घेता हियरिंग घेता I mean suppose तू तर गेले it is as if it is started.
it is deemed heard and then he will pass an order. कित्याक आता फक्त अडानीचो चलता रूल. They are heard. The party is heard. It is deemed to be heard.
Come up with another notification, give us fundamental issues, sir, maybe lapse, and at the same time review the due process. I think if you see what has happened in terms of the whole process on procedural ground, because people have not been able to, even today, sir, no way fits with that definition. So the fundamental thing is that this has to be taken back to the railways board, to the government. And that's been also put in so many objections. These are all on merits, but the fundamental problem with this is that on procedural ground.
How could you have this kind of hearing during the pandemic? Knowing that Goa is going through such a tough time, not just Goa, the whole country and the world. Isn't life more important than these redundant projects that are only going to destroy our state? So you as an authority, we also can hold you responsible. Tomorrow if we go home and become COVID positive due to the proximity that we are experiencing today in this office, you be held responsible.
आखे गोंयांत स्प्रेड करूं सोदता काय सेक्शन 144 कलेक्टर लायतात कोविडा लागून आनी सेम दुसरे दिसा तुमी ह्यो नोटिसीस लोकांक दितात आनी कोविड आनी लोकां भितर स्प्रेड करपाक ट्राय करतात. हें सामकें लोकांचे विरुद्ध आसा आनी एक भशेन दाखयता की सरकार कोविडाचो फायदो घेवन हें एक्विजिशन मुखार व्हरोंक सोदता. पूण गोंयांत पळचो नाका क्लियरली सांगता की आख्खो लोक गोंयचो ह्या प्रोजेक्टाचेर ओपोज आसा.
Process on hold indefinitely. So आमचो आता लोक जो उठला गोंयकार ते बसपाक ना ओगीक. The agitation will just grow much bigger if this process is not cancelled. We appreciate sadhya wo process has been put on hold and the CM himself ringing up and telling. So this is the message which I am sharing with you all. जेन्ना आता फोन आयला पळय तसो
What तुमची मागणी किती असली
आमची आशिल्ली we don't want this project because this is meant only to transfer coal आणि हो फक्त अडानीक लागून वो गोंयकारांक न्ही. आमचे दोन इंडस्ट्रीज आशिल्ल्यो एक मायनिंग आनी एक टुरिजम. मायनिंग बंद जाली फक्त टुरिजम उरल्या आनी हे कोचाक लागून ती कलेप्स जातली. सगळे लोक भिकेक पडटले.
Land acquisition cannot happen until people are convinced and the government has to tell us what are the benefits that will be accrued to us. We are the people who are going to give the land, no? So what are the benefits besides destruction? Now I also want to know what will be the benefits. Forget about the individuals. I'm talking about the state. In what way is the state going to benefit with double tracking? Right now, there is the pandemic going on, okay? All the time we are talking about social distancing. How could this meeting be called? Now, I also have to tell you one thing. It appears that, I don't know whether I should say this. It appears that the CM is not aware of this because sir asked me, where are we? Where am I? So I told him I'm at the Deputy Collector's office in Vasco. He says, for what? So we have to know who is calling the shots. Okay? And what is the benefit till today? There are two things that are very essential. One is for the representatives of the people to walk down the alignment, right, starting from the Mole to the extreme end of South Goa, and find out whether it is possible to double the track. And if it is, will those people who are living in those houses be able to live in those houses? Is that what we human beings strive for and work for all our lives? This is going to be total destruction of Goa, destruction of our environment, destruction of our heritage, and destruction of our lives. Besides, total destruction of our health. What about coal dust pollution? Because it's a known fact. We know that the quantum of coal that is being transported through Southwestern Railway is going to increase so many more times. There will be 100 trains moving along the tracks in a day. So imagine the coal dust pollution, imagine the noise pollution, imagine the consequences of these pollutions on human lives. Why? Is this development? Can this be termed as development? It cannot, because it's going to destroy our lives. As it is, the people living along the alignment are suffering. Now you want to increase our suffering? For whose benefit? Now, if it is essential to carry coal, to which state is the coal being carried? To Karnataka. Take the coal, use the ports that Karnataka has. Karnataka is not devoid of ports. Let the coal go to the port and then let it go through the state. Why are you using Goa as a corridor? Stop using Goa as a corridor. Just because Goa is a dot-sized state, let us not forget that Goa is supposed to be the pearl of the Orient. Goa is loved not just by the people of Goa, not just by the country, but the whole world.
काँग्रेस पार्टीचो आयज आमचे डेलिगेशन आमचे यूथ काँग्रेस जावं आमचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी बाकीचे आमचे सगळे ऑफिस बॅनर तशेंच आमचे बाकीचे सगळे NGOs आमचे मुरमगांवचे स्पेशली मुरमगांवचे सगळे सिटीजन आयज सगळे जाण भायर सरलेले आसा आनी हांगा जी पर्सनल हियरींग दवरलेले न्यूज आमचे ते कशे तरी पोस्टपोन करपाक लागून कित्याक आयज हे जे गव्हर्मेंट आसा इलिगली लँड एक्विजिट करपाक सोदतात आनी ते कोणाच्या प्रेशराचेर आसा ते रेल्वेच्या प्रेशराचेर आसा आनी तेच्या लागून तेंची आयज फर्स्ट हियरींग दवरलेली आयज 19 तारखेक तशेंच 20 तारीख 21 तारीख अशी 27 पर्यंत हियरींग दवरलेली आसा आतां आमी डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा कडेन मेळून ताका सगळ्यांनी रिक्वेस्ट केल्या उपरांत टेक्निकल पॉयंट सगळे सांगल्या उपरांत तो एग्री जाला आनी तेणें आयची जी आसा हियरींग आसा ती डिफर केला पण आमी ताका डिमांड केला फक्त आयची हियरींग डिफर नाका आमकां टोटल अप टू 27 जितली हियरींग दवरला ती सगळी डिफर केलीच जाय सो तेणें म्हणल्यार ते आपल्या कडेन पावर ना ते आपल्या कलेक्टरा कडेन उलोवंक जाय सो तेणें आमचे कडेन 15 मिनटां टायम मागलेलो आसा आनी तेच्या लागून आमी भायर येयलेले आसा आतां 15 मिनटांक लागून आनी तो आमकां कितें तें डिसिजन सांगतलो पण एक आयज वायट गजाल दिसता कित्याक तो रेल्वे एक्ट येयला तेच्या लागून आयज आमकां गोंयकारांक त्रास जाल्लो आसा तसोच ताका आमी सांगलें आतां NPT तो शिपींग पोर्टाचो एक्ट येयलेलो आसा आयज जेन्ना पोर्टाचो एक्ट येयला पोर्ट NPT जाय तशें आपल्याक करतले जितली इनिक्विटीज फिलिंग्स आसा हे आसा ते सगळे करतले तेजे भितर गोवोरमेंटाक कसलो फायदो आसपाना रेव्हेन्यू आसपाना काय आसपाना पण आयज ही खंय तरी जे चल्लां पळय आनी स्पेशली हे चल्लां ते फक्त ही डबल ट्रॅकिंग कोणाक लागून फक्त अडानी जिंदाल आनी जे वेदांत आसा हे 30 जाणांक लागून हो फक्त डबल ट्रॅकिंग चल्ला हेच्या भितर सिटीजन जे लोक आसा पॅसेंजर ट्रेनी वयपाना फक्त कोल लोडेड वीथ कोल ह्यो ट्रेनी वयतली सो तेज्या लागून जेन्ना तुमी फक्त प्रायवेट कंपनीक बेनिफीट जावपाक लागून तुमी आमची गोंयकारांचे डिस्ट्रॉय करपाक सोदता घरां आनी लँड शेतां आनी बाकीची जी आमची बरी एन्शंट घरां आसलेली जाल्यार एक खंय तरी वायट गजाल आमी आतां ताका ऑब्जेक्ट केला आनी आमी डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक सांगला जर आयज तर फुडली जी आसा ती डिफर करना जाल्यार एवरी डे आमी अशाच लोकांक घेवन रस्त्यार धांवतले आनी हियरींग घेवपाक दिवपाना